Hey guys, welcome back to another video in my Robinhood investing series. So as you could just see for the day, I am up $400. Even just last video, I was at like 4,800 and we just had this massive spike. So what happened today? So let's go at today's return, and you could see that Blink charging continued to do extremely well for me, going positive today at 172.25 cents. The market is still currently open, but I'm recording this at 3:30 p.m. and I don't anticipate any huge changes in my portfolio for the day, so I thought it was safe just to do a little small portfolio update here. In addition to Blink charging doing well, Tesla also did extremely well for me today. So overnight, you can see that went from 407.80 and shot up to 455, so which is pretty awesome. And if you just scroll on down, you'll see that it's because it has the potential of going into the S&P 500, or it is already integrated into the S&P 500. Inclusion may pay out, join the S&P 500 index. So a lot of positive news going out for Tesla at the moment. However, I did see that some negative news happened. They would stop selling the Model 3, which is the cheapest model. So no longer offering that at the price point of $3,500, the Model 3, which is kind of unfortunate because I was thinking to myself, if I ever got a Tesla, this would be the model that I would go for. But we'll see what they replace it with. Maybe they'll replace it with something even cheaper. That's something that could totally happen. But, we don't know what's going to happen. You could only guess what each stock is going to do. And oh boy, we're going at a little bit of a dip here. So you're just seeing this live interaction right now just because the market's still open with 30 minutes left. And okay, so Tesla did well for me. Blink did well for me. Upwork is continuing to do well for me also. And I looked at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a really interesting concept. Not sure how hard I want to go into Bitcoin, or if I want to go into Bitcoin at all. But as you can see, it shot up 5.6%, or it's up almost $1,000. So just at the beginning of the trading day, not trading day because I'm pretty sure you could trade Bitcoin whenever you want, but it was just at like 16,000. Now it's up to 17,000, and I'm sure it's probably going to hit 20,000 again like it did once it was at its highest point. But I don't know what's going to happen after that. Last time it reached 20K, it hit there and then just shot down and then went up again and then dipped all the way. Let's see how low it dipped. Down to 4K, it looks like here, 5-year period. Okay, so right here, shot up 19K. And then, more people tried to believe the hype of what was going on there. And it just a steady decline into, even into 3K. And it jumped back up for a little bit and went back down. And now it is skyrocketing, which I would have bought in towards the end of September here when it was just at 10K. But wow. So I don't understand Bitcoin enough to actually start investing in Bitcoin. I'm not sure how many of you guys are doing well in the cryptocurrency market. I might have to do a little bit more research just to figure out if this is something I want to get into at all. I mean, I'm totally willing to throw a couple hundred in here and just make the small games if people are saying that it's just going to skyrocket up to like 30K or something. But you see people making these outrageous claims. I was looking at, let's see, where is it? There was somebody that says that it could shoot up to like 300K in one of these articles, but it must have been later on in the day. But I don't know. I just don't trust cryptocurrency because it could just be all hype based. And once everyone pulls all their money out of the market after they've made significant gains, then what happens to your money then? You've lost it. So I don't know. At this point in time, I do believe I'll just stick to just the normal stock market. We'll see if there are other things that come out of the cryptocurrency market, because right now I have 2K into Tesla, almost 2K into Blink charging, almost 5 into Apple, Upwork, almost 600 into Upwork. So a bunch of other stuff. And I also have my Webull portfolio. So we are doing pretty well in terms of just making the small gains. But let's see here. just for the year, you'll see that I had some major ups here at like 5,400 was my highest in terms of my portfolio, and then we dipped all the way down to 4,200, and now we're getting back up there. So at this point, how much do we have invested? Let's see here. I have invested about like 4,900 into this portfolio here. So we're up a little over $300 and hoping to make a lot more. I'm debating at this point, seeing what we could do with Tesla just because they shot up so much, debating if it was a good place to sell it here and then wait for another huge dip and then buy back in. But I missed that opportunity to sell it at its highest point right there, which would have been really nice right when the market opened. I did see this drop happening just because it did shoot up so much, but we'll see. We'll see what other moves we continue to do as the market does its thing. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.